There's no big introduction with this one. If you're in the UK, you'll know that Mother's Day is this weekend and my mum loves my handmade gifts. So I thought I'd share what I've made for her this year while we get the next video ready. I printed a pretty design from the graphics fairy. They have lots of free printables. I'll leave a link in the description. I cut it to size and used carbon paper to copy the design onto the bottle. My mum actually gave me this etching tool for Christmas and the bottle I used was a gift too. I think it had gin in it, but it was empty by the time it became mine. This was my first proper try with this tool. I had a quick go on a glass jar for 5 minutes before starting this, but I'm not counting that. It's reasonably easy to control, but keeping the pattern neat without over etching was the tricky part. Once the design was etched, I added Mum EST 1970 to the label. I struggled to find a font that fit nicely across the whole label. Really wide block letters I don't think would have worked with the design. I think it would have looked odd. A bit of empty space works though, I think, especially with all the detail that's going on around. I popped some petals into the bottom of the bottle and added these little lights. The battery and the switch are in the cork, so no bulky battery pack to deal with. So let's have a reminder and see it then. And let's see it now. That's it for this one. Let me know what you think in the comments and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and I'll be back soon with another video. Happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there.